So we have a question before us which reads express 3 cos theta plus sine theta in the form r cos open brackets theta minus acute, where r is greater than 0 and 0 is less than or equal to theta, and theta is less than or equal to 90. I'm sure you can see here. So we are required to express 3 cos theta plus sine theta in the form r cos open brackets theta minus acute inside here. So this is acute. Okay, so we're required to express this in this form. So before you start expressing this in this form, first of all you need to find the value of r. Okay, so r is given by the formula r is equals to square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, square root of a squared plus b squared. That's the formula we use to find r. And also you need also to find the value of theta. You need to find theta. So theta is given by acute. You need to find the value for acute. So acute is given by the formula acute is equal to tan inverse of b over a. Okay, so this is the formula you use for you to find the acute. I've said that there are two things that you need to find here. You need to find first of all the value of r, and you also find the acute. Okay, so let's now begin our procedure. So you know that a is the coefficient of the trig ratio they have mentioned here. So since here they have told us that it's cos here should be cos. So this means that the coefficient of cos is the one which will be our a. So in this case we have the coefficient which is 3. Okay, the coefficient of cos which is 3. So our a will be 3. So if there was sine here, so we would have gotten the coefficient of sine as our a, which will be 1. Okay, but they have told us that here it's cos, so the coefficient of a will be cos. Okay, so our a is close to 3, then our b is close to the less one, which is 1. Okay, so this is how you need to do. Okay, so having identified our a and our b, it's easy for us to find the value of r and the theta. So when we have r is equals to square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, so square root of a squared, our a it's 3, so we're going to have 3 squared plus b squared, which is 1. Okay, so r is equals to square root of a squared, 3 squared to give you 9, plus 1 squared, which will remain 1. 9 plus 1, it gives you 10. So our r is equals to the square root of 10. So this is our r. This is our r. So let's now find the value of acute. So we know that the acute is given by the formula tan inverse of b over a. Okay, so of tan acute is equal to tan inverse of our b, it's 1. Our b it's 1 here, and our a it's 3. That's what we found. So acute is equal to tan inverse of 1 over 3. It will give you 18.4. 18.4 degrees. So this is the value of acute. So having been found these two, which is r and acute, you can just now replace in the form that they told us to replace to express that function. Okay, so they told us to express in this form r cos, open brackets, theta minus acute. So where there is r, we're going to replace with the value of r which you found, and you found r to be 10. So we're going to have square root of 10 cos theta minus acute, which is 18.4. Okay, so we have expressed in the form that they wanted us to express. So another question that you found, another question that you find, they will tell you to express in this form, then or A will tell you to express in this form, then on B they ask you to find the maximum value. So finding the maximum value is simple. The maximum value is equals to r, so m max is equals to r. So all you need is just to find the value for r. So in this case we found r to be square root of 10. So just find the value of square root of 10, which will give you 3.16. Okay, so I've even explained on how to find the maximum value after expressing in this form. So you just find the value for r, that's all. I greet you.